के घर बेटी पैदा हुई है।
धड़ से कटेगा, कहाँ पे छिपेगा, कहाँ पे बचेगा। तो गिरेगा, गिरा तो चिरेगा, छिपा तो मिलेगा, मिला तो मारेगा। भाग 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 बच सके तो बच ले आज। भी है ये ज़लज़ला है, पूरे जोर पर चला है। किस्मत है जो लड़ा है, कौन रह सका खड़ा है। सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित Night I dream of day, I dream of watching you fade away. Kill me once, kill me twice, kill me more, I'll shoot you aside. You better keep running if you want to survive. 'Cause every night I dream of watching you. Watching you आज सारी रात क्या पता मैं कल दूंगा। पीट पीट ढोल पीट हाथ पाँव मारिए। नाच नाच उंगलियों पे नाच नाच रात सारी मौत का हूँ मैं मदारी। बाज घबरू सी कटारी नाच
performance. My tears rolled out of my eyes. मेरे शरीर के रोम रोम अभी भी खड़े हैं. Really, the Chavrites grow and bloom like stars.
Let us pledge to respect every life and prominently the girl child. तो आइए हम प्रण करें कि हर बेटी को बचाएंगे और समान अधिकार व सम्मान देंगे.
Hearty comrades, and thanks from the bottom of our hearts for this marvelous, fantastic, superb and splendid performance.
Hey Amanpreet, what would you do to make the moments memorable when you go for a picnic or when you are in some celebration?
I would take my camera and click as many snaps as possible, and won't miss to take videos as well. That's how we make our moment unforgettable.
Yes, and what greater moment can be for Chavra than this occasion of Silver Jubilee?
Yeah, that's true. Now it is time to present mementos to all the dignitaries as token of our love and gratitude to make this moment ever memorable for them.
Now I call upon Reverend Father Thomas Flip our principal, to present mementos and honor all our dignitaries. May I call upon Mar Anthony Chuyat, Bishop, Diocese of Sagar.
भाइयों बहनों, सागर धर्मप्रांत सागर डायसिस शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में अपनी सेवाएं देते हुए समाज सेवा में उदाहरण पेश करते हुए आगे बढ़ रहे हैं। समाज के निम्न वर्गों की सेवा में सागर आगे। भाइयों बहनों, सागर जिले के शंभुरा गांव में स्थित सेवाधाम संस्था मानव सेवा का एक आदर्श संस्था है। सेवाधाम शंभुरा में 460 बच्चे अपने बिखरे हुई जिंदगी को बचा रहे हैं। इनमें अनाथ बच्चे हैं, मानसिक विकलांग बच्चे हैं, शारीरिक विकलांग बच्चे हैं और आदिवासी बच्चे हैं, जिनकी देखभाल फादर, सिस्टर्स और ब्रदर्स कर रहे हैं। फादर थॉमस फिलिप अभी चावड़ा विद्याभवन मंडदीप की ओर से धर्माधीश जी को एक तोहफा प्रदान किया गया, जो सेवाधाम शंभुरा के लिए समर्पित है। और भाइयों बहनों, इस रजत जयंती समारोह में ऐसा सम्मानित करना हमारा कर्तव्य है। और श्रद्धेय फादर थॉमस फिलिप इस संस्था का संचालक भी रह चुके हैं। तो शंभुरा के लिए यह समर्पित भेंट चावड़ा विद्याभवन की तरफ से ग्रहण करने के लिए धर्माधीश जी को हम धन्यवाद देते हैं और बच्चों के लिए हम ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं।
Now may I call upon Shri C.T. Thomas Kuti, PF Commissioner, Jabalpur.
Please give them a huge round of applause.
Olympian. Please sir, come to the dais.
Please give them a huge round of applause.
ओलंपियन के लिए हम जोरदार ताली बजाएं। उन्होंने देश की सेवा की है।
जी.के. गंगबार, BEO Obedullaganj. Please give them a huge round of applause. It is time to hear inspiring and guiding words from our chief guest, Mr. C.T. Thomas Kuti, PF Commissioner, Jabalpur. May I call upon our esteemed chief guest to the dais. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a wonderful time that I could come to this place to grace this occasion. I, Reverend Bishop Anthony Cheriat, Sri Ashok Gyan Chand ji, National Olympian, G.K. Ganwar, BEO, my son, Principal Father Thomas Philip, sisters and brothers, parents and my dear children. As you have been preparing for the Silver Jubilee celebration, the same way I have been also been preparing to reach this place for the last almost 1 week's time. I am really moved to see the program, the presentations being done by the children, little ones, and the ideas behind it, and the way they have presented the program. We have to learn this great mystery hidden in it. We have to learn many things out of it. And I know that the children, small children, little children today, they are no little children tomorrow. They are going to grow and they will be the mighty citizens of this country. And the education has brought light and that has spilled away the darkness, and it has made the people to walk the right path. It has made them to walk straight, and it is also eradicating the evil way that the these days they are following. There are only advices cannot do to make people do right things. But the education and its value, moral value, and the values that is being learned in the school, that will go a long way in the days when they grow old also, that will be with them. The programs that is presented here, particularly Beti Bachao, that I was really moved to see that program. We have the parents sitting here without, that was saying without words what it mean by. There's one not a meaning hidden in that. So if we want to build a responsible society, we have to think about it now. Though we have been preaching but without practicing it. But these are the days we have to practice things without preaching, without words. Many people preach a lot but they don't practice in their life. The small children, they are learning in this a very good school, very esteemed school. I know in this school, this school should be the best school, that's what I hope. In this area, these fathers and sisters came and they labored. They are brought with great amount of trouble. They must have built up this building and this school, and in order to impart education to the needy ones. I am sure in the long days, the school will bring out many very good students. They will win more laurels and climb many ladders in their life. They will be IITians or even medically fit, good doctors. They will come out as good doctors, even engineers from this very school. I am thankful that you have invited me to come to this place to bless this occasion. And I am grateful to the management that they have invited me to come to this place. I bless all the children and I wish you all the best. You have made this city very proud. The Chabra Vidya Education, you have made this town proud because you were made. Thank you.
Chabra Vidya Board. It's a great honor to have him here with us. And now, I request Reverend Father Joseph Charet to kindly
come to the stage. Please give him a huge round of applause. I can't hear the voice of clappings. Please. Now, may I call upon Reverend Father Joseph Arikad. Here comes Father. I can't hear your voices of clapping. Please. Now, may I call upon Reverend Father Sabu Pudin Purekar. Please, audience, I think you didn't eat food tonight. Give them a huge round of applause. May I call upon Reverend Father Vincent Akra. Here comes our Father Honorable. May I call upon Reverend Father C.B. Thakan. Thank you, dear fathers.
To welcome Reverend Father Thomas Philip, our beloved principal, to come to the dais and honor the former principals of Chavara Vidyabhavan, Mandidip, with mementos. Please come, Father Thomas Philip. We have great personalities in the form of principals at Chavara Vidyabhavan, Mandidip, and we have great honor to invite them on the stage. And those principal sisters are Sister Asha S.J., Sister Satya S.J., Sister Amarda S.J., and Sister Anita S.D.P. And we have great fathers also in the list of principals. Reverend Father Paul Ben Nettikardan CMI, Reverend Father Thomas Achumel, and Reverend Father Selvichan John. May I request Reverend Sister Asha S.J. to kindly come to the stage. Please welcome her with She is the first principal of Chavara Vidyabhavan, Mandidip, Father B.G. Philip reminds me. Of course, ladies and gentlemen, she is also the Assistant Superior General of Sisters of Jesus Congregation. It's a great honor and pleasure to have you here with us, dear Sister Asha. Now I call upon Reverend Sister Amarda S.J. to kindly come to the stage. comes Reverend Sister Amruta S.J. Please welcome her. It's great honor for us to have you, dear Sister Amruta, with us. Thank you very much. And here comes most familiar personality, Reverend Father Thomas Achumal. I request Reverend Father Thomas Achumal to kindly come to the stage. Father Thomas Achumal is the Secretary of AMPICS. We are very happy to have you here with us, Reverend Father Thomas Achumal. And here comes Reverend Father Selvin John. Dear friends, we cannot forget the great service of Sister Sarala CHF from the Holy Family Congregation. And Sister Sarala is not present with us, but I humbly request, with the permission of our Principal, Reverend Father Thomas Philip, a representative from the Holy Family Congregation, to kindly come to the stage and receive this memento on her behalf. Yeah, here we have Reverend Sister Shija. Reverend Sister Shija CHF. It's very great honor for us to have you, dear sister, with us. Thank you for your great service. Please convey our great love and regards to Sister Sarala.